Since the start of this week, I told you that yes, Dow Jones and Nasdaq both are trading oversold, and hence I will expect a bounce back. And precisely despite the Fed increasing the interest rate by 0.75%, markets bounced back nicely and achieved 31,000 and close to 11,800 plus levels, which indicated that the markets have already priced in this drop, which was already in circulation earlier. The news reports had said that Fed may increase the rates by 0.75, but more prominently market looked forward to the comments from the Fed chair. Now what is going to happen today? See, we expected that it is going to trade bullish as the indicators were oversold. However, what can be expected today? Which trade we should take, where to enter, where to exit, what should be our trading strategies? Everything we gonna look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into NASDAQ 100 and in the end Dow Jones. Also, those who think that markets gonna remain unidirectional and only one directional trade should be given, please understand these are markets beyond you and me. We have to always trade with levels. We have to understand below which level one can expect that there is going to be a bearish move, above what level one can expect that there is going to be a bullish move, and where to enter, where to exit is most important. Those who trade as per sentiments, those who gamble, they only think that yes, I think that okay, market is going to rise today. Why do you think the market is going to rise? Nobody explains. What happens if it goes downside? Nobody explains. And then we say that boss, yes, we lost. So please eliminate your bias. Don't trade with anybody's bias, whether it's me or anybody else. We have to trade as per the levels. The levels are only the savior. Now let's start the day with US 100 first. Now recall, did not I say yesterday that only short entry is below 11,350 and I'll expect a bounce back? Watch my yesterday's analysis. I told very clearly that till the time it trades above 11,350, I'll expect a bounce back. Now you can see how beautifully these levels at 11,800 has again provided a resistance. Also, one must not forget that there is a gap here to be filled at 11,800 plus levels. So be watchful of that. Also, now it is trying to trade with a drop, and how far it can come back to? It can again come back till towards 11,440. Till here also it can bounce back. See, leaving a tail there, it can again reverse towards the end of the day and achieve this. This is the end of the, this is the indicator of the reversal on the markets. That is what is my expectation, that this is a reversal indication towards the end of a drop. We may see a greener move from here. This is my expectation on the daily charts. But before we come back to the daily charts, let's have a look at other time frames. Look at the hourly charts. See, on the other hand, on the hourly charts, here is the reversal indication after this rally here. Now it is trying to look forward to a little drop. Probably till the time it trades below 11,700, we can expect it to come back to 11,600, 11,550, 11,500 zone before it. See, here is the stronger support at 11,450 levels. I will be watchful of that. Yes, it can drop till here before it looks forward to any further reversal. Now look at directional movement. The oscillator, they are trading bullish here. It may start to converge. Directional movement is bullish here. The MACD is bullish here. It is trying to converge from here. And the RSI, this is overbought, and hence a little drop can be expected before it looks forward to a rise. Stochastic is also near to overbought, looking forward to a drop there. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, this is the first red candle. It is trying to trade, and probably once it trades below 11,650, we can expect it to drop till towards 11,600, 11,550 and 11,500. In fact, 11,450 is the stronger resistance before it looks forward to a rise. So there is a possibility that it can trade bearish throughout the day, and then a bounce back with the US cash session can be expected. Now look at the oscillator there, trading bullish here. It has come back to the greener zone. Look at the directional movement is bullish here. If you look at the MACD, it is also bullish, white divergent. If you look at the RSI, this was overbought, now looking downwards. Similarly, the stochastic is looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, it is trying to reverse back a bit on the downside. Possibly, if you look at 3 hour charts, lower highs are seen and higher lows are seen. Be watchful of 11,600. Go short at 11,600. Then you can expect it to drop till towards 11,500 levels and then 11,450 levels. So yes, it has got its support there at 11,450 levels before it looks over to rise there. Be watchful of this. And yes, any long entry I'll recommend is beyond 11,750 levels. If it trades above 11,750, go long there. The oscillator here has crossed over for a bullish move in a greener zone. It is traded in green and it is trying to reverse from here. If you look at the directional movement is crossed over and it is trading in a bullish zone, in a buy zone. Be watchful of this. And if you look at this, see MACD is wide divergent and still bullish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is trading flat. The stochastic is near to upward, near to overbought levels. Similarly, if you look at the 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour charts now, see the previous two candles, here too the bulls failed to take the charge, here too the bulls failed to take the charge. Now it is trying to reverse. Go short at 11,600, which is a strong support. Below that one can expect 11,500 levels and 11,450 levels. In fact 11,400 can be expected, and from there a little reversal can be seen there. And yes, any long entry today is above 11,800 or rather 11,750 levels. Beyond that, yes, you can go long. So but I will recommend to trade above 11,800. One can expect a bounce back. See on the daily charts, I'll come back with there. We will look into detail. Oscillator, they are trying to enter into bullish zone. It has seen its bearish move. It is trying to trade bullish move and now trying to cross over for a confirmed bullishness there. So directional movement is still, it is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. MACD is wide divergent and bullish, RSI trading flat, and stochastic is near to overbought levels. Now coming back to the most important daily charts. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily chart, see, I see this as a reversal from here and possibly we may see it rising till towards 12,100, 12,200 levels in the coming time frames. Now how far this can drop? It can come back to 11,500, which is going to be a very strong support. I will be watchful of that. In fact 11,450 levels can be a good support, so be watchful of that. I think only short entry today I will recommend is if it sustains below 11,400 levels. If it drops below 11,400, go short there, and probably there is a chance that it can try to reverse back a bit, leaving a tail behind. It can reverse back a bit and then achieve 12,000 levels. So this is my understanding. Probably it may try to drop till towards 11,500 550 zone and try to reverse from there. This is one probability I will look forward to. The oscillator there has seen its high there, and if we see a greener candle, probably it will try to cross over and go green from here. So be watchful of that. The MACD is trying to converge. It is still directional movement is still bearish. The MACD is trading red, trying to converge from here, and the RSI is trading flat near to bottom there. Similarly, if you look at the stochastic, this was oversold and it is trying to bounce back from here. Last 2-3 days I told that indicators are indicating markets are oversold and it will bounce back. Now look at this again. I am saying probably today we may see a reversal. Be watchful of 11,500, 11,450, 11,400 levels, and from there also see till 11,500 at least I will expect a confirmed bounce back, that it can try to rise. But the confirmation is if it trades above 11,800, definitely one can go long. So the confirmed long entry is above 11,800, and yes, till the time it can try to drop till towards 11,600, 11,500 zone. Be watchful of that. It can drop till towards 11,500 before it looks over to any further bullish reversal. Below 11,500, the chances of it reversing may diminish a bit, but still I will be hopeful of a reversal. So trade accordingly, trade profitably. Only confirmed short entry is below 11,400. I will say for the day. Only confirmed long entry is above 11,800. You can remain short below 11,600 for 11,540, 11,500, 11,450. See, watchful of these till from any of these levels it can reverse, be it 11,540 it can again bounce back, be it 11,500 it can again bounce back, be it 11,450 it can again bounce back, be it 11,400 it can again bounce back. Only reversal or only drop confirmation is if it trades below 11,400. So but yes, you can take a short entry at 11,600 for you to get satisfied with the little or capture the little bearish move. On the upside you can go long at 11,600, or rather I'll say 11,750 levels. Beyond that, yes, you can go long for 11,800. The next target beyond 11,800 we can expect it to rise till towards 12,000 levels today itself. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 on the hourly charts is showing a reversal. How far this can come back to? This can come back to 3,700, 3,650 and 3,600. Till 3,600 it has got very strong support, and I'll be watchful of that. It can reverse any point of time from 3,600 levels. Any drop below 3,600, yes, there could be further more drop, and I will come back to the levels which I will be looking forward to for reversal. Look at the oscillator there. It has achieved the highs on the hourly chart. From here it may try to give you couple more red candles. Be watchful of that. Only long entry if you see is above 3,800, 3,850 levels, beyond which yes you can go long. The directional movement is bullish here. The stock MACD is trying to converge from here. It is trying to trade bullish, and the RSI is looking downwards. Similarly, the stochastic is looking downwards too. Now, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts after this rise, after the achieving higher highs, precisely getting the resistance from this 50 period moving average, it is trying to drop. It may give you lower lows, pivoted at around 3,750 levels. Probably with that as pivot it is trying to drop. Higher highs it has seen, probably from below that we can expect 3,700, and then below that 3,600, 3,500 levels can be seen there. The oscillator here has crossed over for a bullish move. Be watchful of that. If it just converges crossover on a sell entry, we have to be careful there. Only long entry is above 3,920 levels. Right now it appears the directional movement is bullish here. The MACD is bullish here. It is trying to converge and crossover for a sell. And if you look at the RSI, this is also looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the stochastic, this is achieving overbought levels. Now if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see the previous candle is showing a reversal sign. See, bulls failed to take the charge, hardly anybody. Now it is trying to drop. Only long entry if you see it trading above 3,800 levels, and beyond that we can see a rise. Till the time it trades below 3,800 we can expect it to come back to 3,600 levels. That is the first target, and then till towards 3,500 and 3,450 levels. Be watchful of that. It can again reverse from those levels. The oscillator here as was trading in red, trying to reverse. It is not yet crossed over for a bullish entry. Beyond that we can see the greener cycle on the oscillator on the 3-hour charts. The directional movement is still bearish. It is still on sell side. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish. The RSI is curving downwards, and the stochastic is near to overbought levels. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see, firstly, last two candles has got a smaller body there, and if you look at this, it is trying to get support here at 3,750 levels, but then the resistance there on 3,920 is going to be stronger for it for any further rise. So right now it appears probably it may try to get pulled back a little on the downside. First target should be at around 3,700, then 3,650, and if it breaks past 3,650, probably we can see a little more drop till towards 3,500 levels, which is going to be a very strong support before it looks over to any rise. See, on the oscillator it is trying to converge and cross over for its next greener cycle on the buy side. Be watchful of that. Directional movement is bearish. MACD had crossed over. It is wide divergent and bullish. Sorry, the RSI is trading flat. The stochastic is trying to converge and cross over for a sell there. Now coming back to the daily candle here. On the daily chart, see previous two candles. One must observe higher highs, higher lows, and also I had told that we may look forward to a bullish reversal on US30. That is what precisely has happened. Now see, first thing is that it can try to drop a little before it looks forward to a reversal. My expectation that probably below 3700 we can expect a drop till towards 3600, 500 levels, and from those levels leaving a tail behind, it can reverse there on the upside. The target is there for it to fill. It can try to, in fact, see, it is traded with extremely bearishness, it can reverse with same bullishness there. The target could be to fill. The larger the tail it leaves on the downside, and if it reverses beyond, again on the daytime it reverses beyond 3900 levels, we can expect it to fill the gap which is remained there. So I be cautious there. And if you look at the, see, the oscillator there on the daily charts has achieved the high. If it is trying to converge from here, be watchful. From here we can expect it to give the reversal, give the expected to trade bullish from here. The directional movement is bearish. The MACD is also bearish. It is wide divergent. It is starting to converge, and RSI near to bottom there. Stochastic is looking upwards, and it may start to rise from here. There is a possibility which I had expected since couple of days, that it is overbought and we oversold, and we can see a rise. Now look at this on the daily charts. It appears that if it trades above 39.20, one can go long, and then my target is 31,100, and then 31 300, 400, 500 levels can be expected. It can fill the gap and it can achieve those levels, but before that there is a possibility that it can see a drop till towards 30 before below 700, 3700 we can see a drop till towards 3620, 3550, 500, and this zone at 3500 should provide a resistance before it looks over to any further drop. So be watchful of that, and it can show you a reversal from this zone at 3500, 3450 levels, and then act bullish. The larger the tail it leaves, the larger the rise is going to be. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with caution, trade with strict stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and once your trade is in green, always shift your stop loss to your entry price. And remember, markets trade as per the levels. Market always gives you a swing. If you trade as per the bias, yes, once of a while you can be right, twice you can be right, but not always. The day when it goes against your bias, it will take it all. So trade as per the levels, trade with stop loss, and trade with profit. So reach out to me, join my mentorship batch or VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details, and please don't pay anything to anyone in either crypto wallets or any channel on my name until and unless you confirm to me via email or via Telegram. My personal Telegram IDs and my email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.